Very good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Devendran, founder of Vedams Midway Training Consultancy. I would like to talk about my uh, few company details, what I was doing for past 3 4 years. So my company name is Vedams Midway Training Consultancy. It is an institute for skill development. Our tagline is igniting your mastery, founded in 2015 and started training program from 2016 to till 2021. We organize program for like schools, colleges, corporates, academic staffs, society, and individuals. Our areas of expertise in trainings like career guidance and career assessment, workshops, guest lectures, corporate training, outdoor training, HR training, employability skill, entrepreneur skill, communication skills, professional skills, personal skills, life skills, social skills, leadership skills, influencing skills, interpersonal skills, creativity, innovation, lateral thinking, and design thinking. On request from the institutes or organization, our experienced trainers train the trainers on various soft skills like life skills and personal skills, professional skills, social skills, and are designed as per the curriculum by the expert. The formation of this institute is specially for school and college students and corporate employees with the objective of making them tomorrow's professionals. We also connect the resource personnel like knowledge and subject experts, speakers, trainers, and counselors to schools, colleges, and corporates. So far, we have reached nearly 50 plus organization and trained 15,000 plus trainees. We also do social activities by collecting funds as a small contribution starting from rupees 10 in the name of One Day Mission in order to develop the education of underprivileged students of tribal and slum areas. We are proud to say that so far we have achieved nearly 10 missions and 50 plus 500 plus people are benefited. The type of program we organize as live session as like webinar, seminar, conference, workshop, symposium, training, placement, guest lecture, consultants. We also reach and coverage the program as state, national, international, intercollegiate, and intercollegiate. We always ready to serve the students and staff community in all level of shape the career. Actually, we are planning to divert our business plan into in a different way to implement like mobile school education in our state. So when I talk about this mobile education, this is actually existing concept, but existing in different way of planning in different countries. In India, there are few organizations doing in New Delhi and Ladakh. Example, Lake Tara in New Delhi and a 17,000 feet foundation in Ladakh. The same concept I wanted to develop in Tamil Nadu, but in different way as they do it. So actually, I'm very much interested to do this mobile education outreach program in my region. Like I want to solve the problem of education, health, hygiene, and child sexual abuse by giving skill development, training, counseling, and awareness program using experiential learning method among all remote villages underprivileged students with our volunteers. The problem is experienced by people in slum, tribal, remote, and tiny villages from rural areas where the quality of education and resources doesn't exist. I want to solve that problem by providing them quality education and the knowledge resources on their villages, on their home and wheels. This would be a better solution because a lot of sources are not available on the places. It would not require any large investment or infrastructures. There's only need volunteers and social supports. It means like taking the volunteers directly to the villages to educate the students in their home and then in their villages. Can be any subject. Subject can be English or the language or any general language, anything. But we will go and visit the students on their villages and we will train them by spending our no valuable time. So the mobile school, we have actually a different concept on profit basis and non-profit basis. When I say profit basis, we approach the schools on a camp basis, like now in a month, it's going to run as a summer camp basis. So it will be a profit method. Another non-profit method will identify gypsy and tribals and the self-help group slum students from the villages, and we will offer free programs. So the model what I have for the profit is approaching first to the schools as boot camps, running as a boot camps like 1 to 3 days, and we will charge like 150 per student. And running as a summer camp, it's going to run as a 1 month, like rupees 1000 per student. And then the third, like annual curriculum, it's going to be entire 1 year will be stretched up the whole year as along with their curriculum. This would be like rupees 650 rupees per student. The package includes the money, whatever I said. The package includes like they will learn about advanced communication skills, competitive exam preparations like TNPC or need any kind of competitive exam preparations, and international standard spoken English like IELTS, TOEFL, and British Oxford English, and pronunciation, voice and accent, fluency, vocabulary, English grammar, creative writing, basic computer skills, internet surfing, and public speaking. These are the things which will be included in the fee. Also, there are other things like logical reasoning, interview skills, training and development, personality development, soft skill training, career counseling, presentation skills, attitude development, email drafting, spell being, quiz contest, and lateral thinking. These all activities will do with the package with our not trained trainers. So there are other activities which included like outdoor adventure programs, pre-college academic programs, and technology teaching, art and crafts, dance and music, strategy games, sports and recreation activities, drama and art theater, handwriting improvement, politics, speech and social studies, volunteering and activism, social activism, role playing, fantasy, leadership, team building, and Vedic techniques. These all included with the single package, bringing different trainers and different teachers and mentors and the experts from outside. We will connect to the schools to train all these areas whatever I mentioned here. And the non-profit method how it runs, I have a like no idea as a flow, like hiring a volunteers. When I hiring a volunteers, we will train them on a different modules what I wanted to teach to the students, particular target students. And then we'll select audience. The audience can be like slum or tribal or self-help group or gypsy students. Then with the curriculum whatever we have, we'll prepare a separate material for them, and then we directly visit to the audience. So by visiting them, we'll create an awareness camp to enroll there, to register in our institute, to get this chance, to get the opportunity, to get the training programs. And then we will schedule the classes. The classes will be like 2 hours in a day, only on Saturday, Sundays, whenever the students are free and whenever the parents are ready to allow the students to learn. And then we'll start educate students. So this is how we planned our mobile school educations. And also I have another plan with backup of this, like doing career mapping for the students. Those who are registering in our training center for this package of mobile school, we also do career mapping. Career mapping is a tool like we will evaluate them from the school, like from 6th standard to 12th standard. So on their extracurricular activities, on their educations, on their sports activities, everything on their subject. So we will try to monitor each students know which career they are going on. So we will map them and then we will direct them in a right way. So I just given an overview what is this career mapping is all about. The career mapping is a tool that provides young students on the verge of deciding their career path with unique data-driven insights to help them build the careers they are suitable for. The career mapping is basically depicts the clear picture of what the students has done it now academically and socially. To prepare career map, we ask all the academic mark sheets for the students along with any extra and co-curricular certificates. We also ask them to provide information on any educational tools and visits made. Also, they have to fill a questionnaire which depicts the parents' socio-economic status, their educational and occupational background in the medical history. Based on all information, we prepare a career graph which shows ups and downs in their student career. Also, the extra and core curricular activities, we try to find their inclination towards any particular field or activity. In other words, you can say their inner capabilities and interest areas of particular field of work, so that proper guidance can be given in terms of choosing the right career path. So this is how we plan to give in a career matrix, like to select the career path. For example, if they complete the 12th standard, they are not able to know which career actually suits for them, whether BBA or BCom or BSc, whatever it is. So through this career matrix, we will identify which career is suits to them. So this is all about our ideas and plan. We hope that we will get on a great opportunity to pitch our idea to the next level. We will get on a guidance from your Wadhwani Foundations. So we hope we will get an opportunity and support from Wadhwani Foundations always. Thank you so much for this presentation.